Hey guys, we're gonna try a little cooking video, something different today. We thought we'd try something fun with our pancake mix. If you've ever been to like one of those fancy hotels down south that they pipe out pancakes into shapes. I remember when we took our kids when they were little, the chef there would pipe out Thomas the Train pancakes. So with Valentine's coming up, I thought we'd try doing some heart ones. So you can use our pancake mix, or we have actually a recipe on our blog as well if you want to check that out. But I thought I'd just do this because it's nice and easy. Don't have to put anything together. So let's see here, we'll follow along with the instructions. So we need 1 cup of mix. Pour it in. And the nice thing is you don't even need any equipment. You can really just whisk it. 2 eggs, 1, 2, and a 1/4 cup of water. If you like it really creamy, you can do milk too, or a milk alternative. We just set up the recipe with water to make it super easy to do. And then you need a tablespoon of oil. I'm just going with olive oil, so I don't have to melt coconut oil, because that's what we have at the bakery. But if you like to use avocado or canola, if you like canola, whatever, some kind of neutral flavor. Here we go. We're gonna give it a mix. Let's get this stuff out of the way. We don't need you anymore. Now, we tried several different ways too if you don't eat eggs. They're actually on the back of our package. We tried it with a flax egg, we tried it with a chia egg, we tried it with just applesauce or a banana. We even tried it with just adding extra water, and it all worked out well, so give it a shot. There's our batter, easy as that. Next up, we're gonna heat our griddle. All right, so let's get it transferred to our bottle. We'll see if it's runny enough to come out, or if we need to maybe thin it out a bit more. You could also do this in a piping bag, like a Ziploc bag, and just cut off the corner. I have these squirt bottles from when we do our ice cream sundaes for our sundae toppings, so this is nice and easy. We're also going to use them to do our punchki fillings in 2 weeks. Alright, let's get this scraped out. Or if you want the easy route, just heat up a skillet and you can scoop it by maybe quarter cup scoops to make little pancakes. This stuff also works in a waffle machine, which is cool too. Just wipe this side. Alright, put the lid on. And I've got our non-stick surface skillet preheating. We're about halfway. If you don't have one of these, I really like this guy because nothing ever sticks and you don't need oil. But if you don't like non-stick, or you have a special frying pan, totally use that. Add some oil or some butter first before you go. And let's see how this goes. I might need to cut the tip a little more. There we go, we got half a heart. So if you find it hard to squeeze and you've cut a Ziploc, you can cut your corner a little bigger. I don't really want to cut this bottle because we use it for other things. Let's try a smaller heart. And see all those bubbles coming up in our first heart? It means it's almost ready to flip. See how skilled I am at flipping it. Watch me break it. I really didn't practice this. I just thought it would be a fun idea. we go. Do X's and O's for Valentines. Do this for Mother's Day too. Mother's Day at least is a weekend. Valentine's happens to fall on a Wednesday this year. All right. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. I'm gonna get the spatula too. Let's see. What do you think, guys? Am I gonna break it? Yeah. This one's gonna be easier. How cute is that? So cute. Just give it another minute on this side to cook through. Okay. Let's see if we can do it one-handed now that it's cooked. Yay! Apart. Serve it up with some berries and some whipped cream. That would be so cute. Enjoy.